Okay, thank you very much for that wonderful question. For me, everyone's born unique. When we talk about gifted, this as an individual who are born with innate abilities and capabilities. Specifically, they are good when it comes to their academic inside the school. And when we talk about the talented individual, these are individuals or students who is capable inside and outside the school, especially the extracurricular activity wherein we participate in there. And the gifted, in the case of the gifted, it may also fall the so-called exceptionalities. Individual who is gifted in a way that it's within them, it's inner inside.
I define the gifted and talented learning. These are the kids who show the average ability or the above average ability in one or more areas. It could be, of course, in mathematics, arts, music, or even leadership, or even creative problem solving.
Sa giftedness is yun na talagang binigay mo Diyos, kumbaga tinatawag nilang God give yun. Parang naman-namana na ba. Then sa talented student is need mo ng hardworking to achieve those things.
What do you think are the characteristics para matawag na gifted yung isang student?
I don't know.
Or talented? Wala? Ikaw, gifted ka ba?
Hindi. Wala. Hindi ako gifted.
May mga skills ka ba?
Siguro undiscovered tayo.
Discovered! So yun lang sa'yo, gifted is nature, like, sa God. And talented naman.
Kumbaga, siguro sa genes din nata kumbaga. Parents mo is magaling sa math. Siguro
Inherited.
Hindi yan, ay nag-iiba-iba yan ka. So, hindi yan kung pinanganak ka na, nasasayo na yung kung matalino ka or bobo ka. Kasi, kailangan mo pa yung pag-aralan bago mo makita yung gifted. So, ang talented learners is, kailangan mo yan pag-aralan muna bago masabing talented yun. Talented. So, example is kung forsige ka naman sa basketball, is kailangan mo yung pag-aralan para maging talented ka na or maging sikat ka. Ganun.
So, for you, what are the characteristics that a student should possess to be called gifted or talented? Matalino lang ba or kaya ka daling performance or magaling sa mga sports, galing ba para matawag na gifted? Like, ano yung mga characteristics para matawag na gifted yung isang learner? Like, ano ba? Matalino ba siya? Matalino lang ba? Or kaya kadalik performance siya? Or magaling sa lahat ng sports? Para matawag.
Hindi natin yan masasabing gifted kasi balance yan. Kasi wala namang taong bobo, sadyang tamad lang tayo. So, kailangan talaga hindi natin masasabing gifted at talented. Nasa gitna yan siya. Kasi kailangan din natin pag-aralan muna bago maging talented yun. So, yung gifted naman is kailangan mo muna hindi mo muna yan makita kung hindi mo din pag-aralan.
For me, gifted learners, this is also known as above average needs, which is they are exceptional average students. For instance, a grade 3 student who is in advanced thinker, and then for talented learners is ito yung mga estudyante na they are good in specific talents or skills. Then for instance, a student is their family is family of dancers, then he or she will develop those talents.
Para sa akin, when we say gifted, it is not necessarily mean na pinanganak ka, matalino ka na agad. It only means gifted is something na in-cultivate na isang tao with, of course, consistency. Sinasabi ng iba na when we say gifted, yun yung mga tao na matatalino. Pero behind that matatalino na sinasabi nila, hindi siya dumating na agad-agad. It takes time, effort, consistency, and hard work para mapunta ka doon sa iniisip ng iba na matalino. And aside from that, when we say giftedness, hindi pwede na yung pagiging gifted mo is gagamitin mo siya laban sa ibang mga tao, sa ibang tao. Most probably, yung mga taong gifted, yun yung ginagamit, yung knowledge na meron sila para i-share sa iba, para matulungan yung iba. So for me, that is gifted person looks like.
So, ano ba yung mga characteristics para matawag na gifted ang isang student?
For me,
Matalino lang.
other than being matalino, someone who respect others, and someone na hindi good selfish sa kung anong ibinigay na knowledge or yun, knowledge na meron siya. And consistency and hard work. Gifted people as well are meron silang productivity na consist of something consistency again, and I think consistency is a big factor of being a gifted person.
For me, I think those students who are considered as talented ones are those students who are capable of doing things not just academically but of course outside their academic study. And when we talk about gifted learners, these are the students who have a high IQ and are really good when it comes to their academics. So those are just simply the difference between the two.
I think for me is giftedness or talented student is defined by their internal motivation. Kasi even though na may skills sila, even though na meron silang talent for specific tawag doon na bagay, like for example is yung kanilang sports, hobby, and tawag doon yung galing sa isang particular na area is kailangan pa nila ng tawag doon na pupush sa kanila to use these skills. So in simple terms is you can define someone as gifted and talented if tawag doon meron silang inner persuasion sa kanilang sarili.
For me is yung gifted talent na mga student or person. Probably mga may mga high potential na mga talent like skills like that. Magaling sila dito sa bagay, like confident sila like that. Kasi every person naman is have ability or skills or gifted by yun, meron naman silang capabilities sa mga ibang bagay, like dito sa isang bagay hindi sila magaling, but then the other things is magaling sila, they are confident. So probably those talents or ability or skills is gifted. Yun yung for me, yun yung meaning for me sa mga gifted person.
Sa'yo is yung mga tao na magaling sa isang particular na
For
for me, aside from being intelligent, a gifted person respect others and it's not being selfish. With the knowledge they have, they share what they know, and gifted people are also good at creativity and is good at their job or what they do.